but 70 degrees here is so different than 70 degrees in Southern California.
It's hot as fuck here.
So how does it feel to listen to Gucci Mane and have a farmers only account? Still miles and miles away from Jordan's house. Callie?
She know what I'm about. You hit this door and your heart gonna stop. They callin' the cops. I was the jet, this is 20 passages. I'm still the minute, yeah, I'm the massacre. I take your heart and shoot you lateral. Get to the top and we blew the lateral. Right on my money, you're talking lateral. And that bitch high off a perking animal. Pull out the fire.
Then you might want to like set
line the crosshairs on the.
What's up? You got it.
Our daily red.
Daily red.
Thank you.
Dude, geez, maybe sit in the chair.
Oh!
It kind of crashed down.
Okay.
Is that one or
Too
the next
petite
one
for this
down?
shit.
You can do the next one down too.
Okay.
I think to your right.
Oh my god. Oh, fuck.
Megan Callahan's gonna shoot a can.
You're in my room now, Grandma.
Yeah, exactly.
It's really big, like the size of like 2 jelly beans.
Damn,
Damn.
you hit the wood.
Wow.
Wow.
Very nice.
I was about to.
What you got?
I got a little snake.
You got a little snake? Wow. We saw a bear earlier.
We did.
And an alpaca.
Yeah. Put it either in the walkway or just throw it, or yeah, make a pile. Is this too much, well, it's kind of wet so that it happens anyway, but try to leave as much soil there as possible, right? Yeah, he goes, I don't know. Those. But yeah, they're, you can see that they're every foot, so it's all pretty big.
Okay. Hello vlog. I am currently outside next to Jordan's house.
Thank you for having us. I'm glad you were able to make it. Yay! There you go. That's my favorite pork plate.
Oh, awesome. Thank you. So you don't want it?
Yep.
Well,
You're
thank
the
you.
lucky winner.
Feels okay.
You get pork.
So fortunate.
See, I have a bowl of salad for you. Yay!
Good job,
Oh no.
Oh no. Greenfield Farm with Jordan, Callie, Riley, and Morgan. So, what's your favorite part about working on the farm?
I don't know if I could just narrow it down to just one thing. I really like getting to visit my good friend TK and just being outside all the time and just being really close to nature. That's the top 3 things on my list right now.
The viewers are gonna go wild, all 38 of them.
That's a pretty good amount of viewers.
Yeah, people really liked your interview. Like,
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, well, it's about me though.
Oh yeah. Right.
Ask some of those questions you asked me. Oh, this? Yeah, some of the questions you asked me. Think about them.
Have you ever found God in anyone?
Definitely not.
Really?
Definitely not.
Definitely not. Period.
Definitely not.
Do you miss anything about Irvine?
The structure and regularity.
So he plays lead guitar. It was.
He's so good.
Casual.
He's so good.
See how casual this is?
Yeah, so he's in it, and then the 2 drummers are there, and then Bob Weir is still in it, and then yeah, it's so good. But John Mayer is really awesome. So it was the most. That's
What's the weirdest thing you've ever found on the internet?
Veggies weeded really fast.
The weirdest thing
It's
that
crazy. It's so crazy.
It's
that
so
I
awesome.
have
having
seen
more
online is
hands.
it's a video
and then I can also do
of
another
a
thing, you get other
centipede,
things, like at the same time. It's hard to believe.
fighting in an arranged sort of situation with a
I
snake.
know, right?
It's a centipede
Yeah.
and a snake fighting, and they make this like bagel kind of shape, and they like turn inside out many times over, and it's pretty
Not yet.
troubling.
Well, I mean,
Who won?
there's a lot.
The centipede wins. It's like a
What the centipede wins.
The centipede wins. Yeah. Very much so. Like it's a no contest.
Wow.
That's something I need to.
No, not at the moment.
No? Well, one question?
Actually, I have a question for Nern.
Yeah, what's up?
They'll give us
What?
back
Where did the nickname Nern come
soon.
from?
You know, I mean, they'll grow
Okay,
quick.
so
So
this is how I usually explain it because a lot of people ask me. You know when?
I know it's not a unique
but
question.
No,
we'll
no,
see
it's
what
okay.
you know, we're gonna have to figure out
when
the,
you have
you know, we're gonna need
pets,
like at
animals,
least 6
and you
people
talk to
living out
them
there
like
permanently,
differently than
if
you would
we
your
wanna
friends.
Keep that place.
So my sister,
Yeah, it's just so much
we
space,
had
so
a dog.
much planting,
And the way that she would
with
talk
perennials.
to our dog,
So,
she would use
something
my
we
name
have
as
to figure out, you know.
Nernin instead of Jordan.
It was small scale,
And
but John
so
kinda turned
it
into
started-
What kind of dog?
Black Lab.
It
His name was
seems, you
Cooper.
know, like all small scale family.
And
but
so
when you
yeah,
see
it
what's
started
really
off as
planted,
Nernin,
it's pretty big
and then
scale, you know,
Nern,
like-
and now so many people call me Nern. I would rather be
It
called
is,
Nern
so we
than
just-
Jordan.
Yeah, you know, trying to just dial it
Nernin.
in. And,
Nernin. If you call me that, that's
Figure it
yeah,
out.
that's really deep. Nernin.
Alright.
Yeah, Nern.
Yeah, Nern.
Yeah, Nern.
Yeah, Nern. Greenfields Farm 2019. Summertime.
We actually have a lot.
All the ladies.
Yeah, so we're good. Yeah, thank you for
All
asking.
the ladies.
I want to see you. Bend over. I'll break that shit down. Speed it up. Oh, the burritos are big. Oh yeah.